up on a van. New location, you know. See it, peeps? Yeah, man, over there, so we normally fish, you know.
There's a different location, different species of fish, different people are friends today. I don't boil it up boil.
Real low can got in a babes. Low can missing up. Low can, man, you make me know where me at, you know. Kung la, me say. Boy, the body, you know? Yeah, man, babes, we are chop through community, my community, you know? Yeah. Over there, no rich. Still a saggle for gas cola, you know? You say that at top? Yeah, man, top of the morning viewer subscriber. We outside for another adventure, you know? Yeah, man. You know, we eat a local van back ride. Come part of the journey. So, we are go up more, but they are wait for the driver. Yard and abroad, bless up on yourself, man. Remember, I hit the subscription button. Today is another exciting adventure of fishing. We are fishing on one place named Long Road today. So I know no one miss that in a peep, so keep it locked, man. Yard and abroad. Blessings and love and respect. Outside with the peeps. So peeps. Yeah, man, see what I go on. Then two soldier crab blaze out without a doubt. Quick. Huh?
That's right. I'm looking at bug side, no more of them. No, then we did.
You know I no sabotage me, brother, last time. Last time I no sabotage me with bait, you know, I take bait and gone a different spot.
No? Fresh food, you food in there?
No food, man. Peeps, so don't know. Yeah, man.
Alright. Inside news, man.
Jump off of the van now. It's the road. Fuck, see your dog a show today. Such man. Yeah, man. First me. Yeah, man, viewers, subscribers, we jump off of the van, so you know, anytime we go new location, we get excited, you know? Yeah, man. No joke about it, peeps. Yeah, man. Beautiful man, you know, out in the peeps. So they plan for say, yo, Hector's River. But you don't know, Long Road is the place. How that, Max? I max that? Oh. Yeah. So reach down in the lane, you know? I search you here, you know?
Call it before. I saw him. Yeah, you're there somewhere. Where? You find children come down? Where's the way I go? We can go to the right. Alright. Now leave them, there someone. Yeah. Eh? You're not done like this. No, stop!
Yeah, man. So I go on, peeps.
Don't so you go in a black, go in a bush, you find soldier crab.
Yeah, man, you look on the broke off and a peeps, so I go on.
Turkey beer? Yeah. What am I talking about over there? That's no turkey beer.
Whoa! Want to see the height, ya peeps?
Around that sofa?
Yeah, man, peeps, so we are trying to find the location figure. Do the fishing, you know? And most panda edge are rock there over there, so. And over, so. Oh, see chuck, yeah? Chuck the through there, so. Yeah, man, see a boat man out there, peeps. Now this is a rough water. Hey, I see him, Jano. See the truck, peeps. Yeah, man. More time, peeps. You see how we have to go through. Some roughness.
Up on the rock there, another part.
Yeah, man, you see a white crown pigeon lift up over there, so. Yeah, the great explorers of the sea. See what I go on, peeps, so soon buy a boat and start going up on boat too in a car. See what I go on? Find a spot, you know? Me discover that spot here in the peeps.
You never discover something when you discover. Yeah, discover there already.
Discover, you know?
Come and start something.
When they tell you in a storybook of Christopher Columbus. What? Yeah, man, peeps, so we outside once more. Randy show me a real him rad. I'm use left hand and we use right, you know. But every viewers, every subscriber, big up on yourself. You know? Oh, they're on the end of that out there, so. Yeah, man. Oh, you good at connect. Yeah, man, peeps, so we are get to some fishing, you know. Sweet time now, you know. You get me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so. First strike since the morning, you know. Nice bridging, you know. Yeah, man. You know, if I get him up, you know, me igloo, da. Yeah, then I brought the new location and look too bad, you know. Yeah, man, the first one that peeps. Pretty down in a igloo. Yeah, man. Don't know. Outside with there, you know. See peeps. Alright, Firefox. Strike. Yeah. All him up, make the crowd of people see him. That's it. Take him up. I mean if a nice fish that come up. Jack and sitting there, Jack and sitting there. You have your barrel line. Set him right away, yes. Yeah, man. God bless that. No, sir. I want them to catch a night. With the stripe them. Nice look, peeps. We're outside. Yeah, man. Yes, people, second assault, you know. Yeah, man. Jack, you know. Yeah, man. Nice. Nice, you could catch on a new location, yeah, peeps. Yeah, man. Want to see a barra jump up on the barra line now? Change it there. You see it, peeps? Alright.
Bona man.
Second one in a igloo, you say?
Bona man.
Bona man again. The first fish. Yeah, man, peeps. Yeah, man. So twice here now, you know. Fuck snapper over here, so. You see me? Nice one, me not get for sure now, me real good from. Fox grab him up, see him the peeps. Run the one over there, so. You see me? Yeah, man, I want a wire back. I want a wire back. I shot it, too. Oh. Yeah, man, Firefox hold something more, you know. That's a moonshine parrot. Yeah, man. Them that will juke you up, you know, Matthew. Yeah, man, and the blocks over there, so. Doing thing, you know. No new spot, so we are try it out, so. You know. Yeah, man, peeps, so more go no idea when the line I get pick how it look, you know. So I go on there. Kinda dead there now, nothing I bite it, you know. But as well the fish them are teeth here too. One more for Randy, you know, peeps?
Yeah.
Beautiful bridge, you know? Yeah, man.
Like one time in dope on the rock, you know.
Beautiful bridge.
Like to know, say, boy, you see?
In Japan. When you celebrate.
I mean, celebrate a long time.
Yeah, man, see the peeps, beautiful, you know?
Nice little bridge, not big, not cheap, man.
Soon go now zoom up on him, you know?
Yeah.
But, yeah, man, see him the peeps? Bridging. Nice. Randy that on the here.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Not to put them on the grass, keep them clean.
Yeah, man, people, and the next thing, you know? I have no only for beef neither, so you know we have to try to make use of them, you know? Yeah, man. And in a, honestly, I see my thing to people like when the soldier cap them big, you know. Yeah, man. See what I go on, peeps?
God, fuck.
Nice, you could catch, you know? We glue it again, you know? Yeah, man. Firefox. No queen mullet. What? Pretty fish. What?
I feel them over them, man.
What?
Nice one in the morning again. Line the two heavy, me now I feel it, keep my heart funny. I like how me feel on it. How much size line? That? I tell us I braid around 30 dog.
The man that braid the thick.
This? Yes, no.
Come on, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, so we'll leave this location because the fish them stop by it here, so go over upon a different location, you understand, peeps? Yeah, man. So, when you don't know, you come down, you see it? Run, go over upon a different location, me I show you how I go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, over there, so we are going to reach in the peeps, you see it? Yeah, man, Firefox strike at the new location, you know, man. Butterfish. Yeah, man. you breeze? Dead down? Alright, the back area. You have to set him back for Barra? Next one.
That's where we put him.
Come with him around there.
And when them boy they bend inside and they head and turn down, so no
Come with him around there.
problem, you know.
Yeah man, nice conga toe on the foot. Yeah man, peeps trying to catch a nice conga toe on, you know. Take him up, Randy. Take him up, Randy. Yeah, man. Ah, another fat one, man. Boom, man. You respond to them.
Yeah, make it stay.
You and they are professional for holding the conga to one of them. You know.
Them hold me.
I not hold them, you know. That's what that me mean, you know.
I'm better enough. I hold him, you know, way more figure. Don't you say?
That me I say you are professional for hold them.
Oh, so you mean?
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, when you hold him good, you can't do nothing.
I'm afraid them fly and drop me.
Once you hold him good, you can't do nothing.
Peeps.
So if you don't get the first one, I have to make sure it's one good.
Yeah man, peeps, been a while since we catch a one here, you know, see me.
Oh, man, really?
Yeah man, nice.
So where put the light about what?
Alright, catch up this one.
Yeah, I'm going to take them up, man.
See him the peeps. Line still out there. Rain just done fall, so we could show you action, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, peeps, as DJ Khalid did I say another one, you know. Yeah man, see me. Nice bridging, you know. Just take him out of water. You know, he glow, you know. Yeah man.
Ice?
Yeah man. You see it, people? He glow no like tree body, you know. You see it? Yeah man, Randy I go on with himself, Fox I go on with himself, see him where. I forgot show you the catch at the end of the video, but as for now, we kind of out of bait, but we there and make miracle, you know? So, keep it locked, man.
Hey, look.
Bosso, man, catch that pan, you know, man.
Yeah, looking at tail too.
Two hook. Yeah, man, Bosso a work, peeps. So, that means that we have look hopes and low run out of bait, you see me? Yeah, man. See, you reach here half dozen market. Half dozen and about 3 you know. Oh, 7 you know. So I go on good man father. Yeah man peeps, me I try to
thanks,
it up. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps. Net man then da see a jar net, you know. So they really up when them are sitting there. See peeps. Net man them that in a peeps. Then they quite a distance. Catch him on his own, you know. Well peeps, I run out of bait, you know, we out of bait, but at the end of the day, boy, they not buy nothing else like how. Them bite the soldier crab, you know. Yeah, so we outside, you know, without a doubt, without a joke. Check pan fireman and Randy. See what go on around there, you know. And them outside I do the right, you know.
What thing is it?
Ah, tia, fish in a bucket. Well, one thing with Firefox peeps, and lucky with the queen mullet. goat mullet,
all kinds of mullet.
and butterfish. You see me? Randy, this are you this Randy?
Yeah man, put the rest of them in.
You go on damn good boy.
Put the rest of them in.
Damn good. Yeah man. See Randy here peeps. It's a good look. You know? See that? I'll know fish live. Boy peeps, I tell them you know. Want go and bother man and can't come good at evening. But then they don't gonna try to see him. What? How are you used to? Oh, soldier can be just fine. Boy, you're my boy now, you be there, you know? Randy proved me wrong. Cool. No, no, so you can play. Fire! Yeah, man, I miss say we go and bother man in can't come good evening. I want to grab up. Where you buy it, fire? Yeah. So I'm going to test my last piece of soldier. I see Randy find piece of soldier and bingo with it too. So I find piece. So I'm going to test him in a peeps. Watch you go on now. So peeps, the decision is that the man they're not ready here, sir. So see if we can pick up 2 soldier crab. You know? Yeah, man. That is cool, you know? That's where I go to yard and a bird, you know? The fire. Yeah, man, peeps. So, find us, you find them.
No, I say we want to find them. It's yeah. My top boy part then.
Yeah, man.
That's how I come.
One day for a look. You see me? Yeah. Good thing, soldier crab, you know? Look something for you, you know? Something this way, all the feed. What kind of drinks inside them have now?
One pop. One pop alone? No, big already. Too sweet.
Yeah, man. So, first one, this in the peeps after we get the bait them, you know? That means we don't walk for nothing. You see me? So, we outside, man. Fish still in a igloo here, you know? So, I go on. One half him. You see me? Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man, people. So, another catch, you know? Clown, that's it. Drop him in my cooler. You know? No joke, man, peeps in there. Drop him in my cooler, peeps. Boss in there now, peeps. Look that. Yeah, man. Nice little catch, you know? How which one?
Virgin one.
See how pop out your back of your root
back. A fire, I fling for no that. A fire, man. You see how hard me wheeling. A fire to come from.
Yeah, man, people. Another beauty gone in the bag, you know? Yeah man, another bridge, you know what I mean? Yeah man, see me here. Fresh. Dust caught, you know? Yeah man. Them teeth that they use by the line, you know, peeps. See me? Yeah man. Can't complain, you know, peeps. Find a few. As I said at the end of the video, I'm showing you the catch. But it's a good look, man. Nice, man. Yard and a broad. You know? Yeah, man, peeps. Well, another lovely fish, you know? Whitening, you know? Yeah, man. See me, peeps? Look fleshy. Alright. See what I go on? Nah, itching up peeps, cause evening session you know I want to take up a couple more, so you don't know the thing me, I go igloo him. See him the peeps and in turn side here look. I go igloo him. I'm back to the fishing, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps. Randy. Yeah man. Look how cement in a man. Huh? Big done. I'm sure no I go on in here, so. But me no disturb peeps and he done me show on here, man. Cause I do him open the bucket to show him there, so you know we see what I go on. Come on, peep. You see, any man said they're not catching dinner, would have been grateful. Over the fox, I'm alone catch pilot and in dash 2 already. How much you dash? 1. I'm alone catch pilot, but differently. Bomba! Put them to shame. Flying back, let me see you catch your handy. Yeah man peeps. Great look.
You know,
Put this in. What?
This one the bucket cap.
Well peeps, another beautiful day of fishing. You see me? Half bucket of fish over here, so. Yes man. Good look for your fox string there. The man and Randy on them over here, so. You see me? Yeah man. For a new location, my peeps, you know go and bad, you know. You see me? You know go and bad at all. Yeah man. Not a bad look, peeps. Yeah man. So we are go back to the bush now, peeps. You see me? Yeah man. Over there, so Firefox, what you have to say to your fans them?
It's a good look, man. I like the ground still, you know. You feel like say would have more get more bite for the night or something.
Yeah man, we feel so.
You know, over there, so you know. So the water look and feel. Fish there, you know, but them slow as it. Now bite too fast. When I come back over here one next night, like one evening.
Go over
I check past matter one evening. Bleach pan it do a night and day, you know. People can take up some of them snap at it. But it's a good look, fans. We like it growing. Not that bad, you know what I mean?
So Randy, before I come over your side, I wear dog name in a mat, I'll come back.
Oh, fuck. How will I get a name for you?
Yeah, we go look to your character them.
Red, man. How get a name?
So this a see Kang Lo, you know, peeps. Yeah? Kang Lo, Lo Kang brother, you see that? Yeah, yeah man, it's a good look man, peeps. I know Raven, you know say. Yeah man, peeps, and some my name Raven show me ever be the at them, you know. But just so you go. But Fox want a name, so you just comment in Fox name and make we know what I go on here. Yeah man, and I send in Fox name, I know what we call Fox. You see it? Yeah man. But people we outside, you know me always say I not done a video out of rock and I can go out there and something excited go on. So, you don't know I got peeps outside. Like the adventure, like the news spot yard and abroad, just keep it lucky here. Heart of love, man, respect and blessing to every viewers, every subscribers. So, stay tuned.